Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use WowKit widget app. So let's get started. So to use that, you have to follow this easy step. So here you can see the app. So just open it. Okay. So basically it's a widget app. Basically here you will just get the aesthetic widget and many types of widget as you can see. Okay. So for example, I want to add this. I will just click on here and you can just select your timing and other things. Okay, and colors also, color palettes. So here we'll just select this one, just click on add to home screen, just click add. So by this way you can get it and you can just tap to find. Okay, and by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.